So, looks like I'm taking the soft option here. Here we go, so a quick unboxing, quick look at the RoadSafe soft shackle. There's a lot of companies making these now, but they're fundamentally the same design. They've got the button knot, or monkey fist, whatever you want to call it. This replaces the need for the steel bow shackles used for recoveries. This is what you get with the RoadSafe ones. You get a little drying bag, you get the shackle, little set of instructions here, safety pretty much, and care for the product, and they come in a little plastic thing and they look like that. They retail $60 or $70 each. I've just purchased 4 of these on a sale, so I will be changing to these. I'll keep a couple of steel bow shackles, but these are a good item. I've a couple of mates that use them a lot, and no issues, and reckon they're fantastic, and they weigh next to nothing, and they're pretty tough. They've got a rating of, I think it's about a safe working load or braking limit about 9 ton. It's a 10mm Dyneema rope, and this simply can slip open, and you've got one hand. Anyway, put that through the monkey fist through there, like so, and then you just tighten and it'll just pull tight on itself and off you go. So obviously abrasion's an issue, so just make sure the sleeves are slid over any sharp edges. Float on water, very light, no flying objects as it breaks. Very good, happy days. Alright, we'll show them in action when we get a chance to get around to using them. Good on you, eh? Hooroo.